Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends on Instagram. Now, if you didn't want anyone else on Instagram to know who your followers are, or more importantly, who you are following, I'm going to show you some options on how to hide those. There aren't great options to be able to do this, but there are two workarounds to be able to potentially hide your friends. So let's jump right in. Let's open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Let me get out of here. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down. Your first option is to tap on Account Privacy and to turn on a private account. It says when you switch to a private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. Tap Switch to a private account. Now, nobody who is currently following you will be able to see your friends list. However, if they are already following you, they will be able to still see who your friends are, who your following and followers are. So you have another option to be able to basically block them from seeing that as well. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again. And tap on followers. All of these people will still be able to see my profile, my posts, photos, as well as my friends. However, I can tap the X next to their name. Oh, let me go back. Tap on that X there and tap remove at the bottom. This will remove that person as a follower, and now they will no longer be able to see my friends list. However, of course, they won't be able to see any of the photos and videos that I'd posted down the road. Keep in mind, unfortunately, there's no way to keep your account public so that everybody can see your posts, but not be able to see your friends. For whatever reason, Facebook just decided not to make that a feature. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.